Welcome back to another Six in the Bus video. Hope you are having a great week. Now, after Sunday's video where we had a bit of a, not disheartening, but a education on how not to build a wall in a bus, we're back here. Sam's coming down to give us from split charge, and we're going to have a go at remaking the walls and getting a template ready to do the other 5 that we need to do. I hope. Some lovely comments in the comments from the last video. From the last video. Thank you so much for those. We have took some of them on board. We are going to use the cardboard cutting idea, but on some really thin ply, to just give us a bit more solidarity of the curvature of the thing. So let's get in and get started. So obviously on Luna's request, Sam's here to make the wall because we can't obviously do it without Sam. Now, as you've seen from that time lapse, we're slowly getting there by shaving off bit by bit. Sam's just going there with the jigsaw bit by bit. The top's beautiful. We're just going to give it another 2 mil into that gap to get the wall in. It doesn't help, the wood's not bored. The principle of what we used in the last video was right, just not executed the right way. So we'll keep sanding and trimming until it's 2 mil up. So about an hour and a half later, we've got this one in here, which it wants a little bit shaving off here, just make that go in, but that one will go there. We're going to make that board as now the sort of template, but go a couple of mil bigger all the way around it. Then we can just shave, because each one is going to need its individual cut, because they're all different, aren't they, Poppy? Yeah. So we'll go and get them started and get cut in.
Sat on him? Yeah. You sure?
No, I was waiting for you to go. I was waiting for you to go in the middle.
Yeah.
Collapse. And this is what we've ended up with. So we've got not finished, but sort of in place. I need a bit more trimming just to get them up tight. Like we've not trimmed this one in yet. But this one is pretty much done. Time we put this carpet on, that'll be done. We've got the kids' pods, and they're rather big. You might not look on the camera, but I'll insert a picture here of me laying in one. But yeah, they're slowly coming together. Still got to, that's obviously where I used the wood and did it wrong, so I need to get another piece of wood for there. But the pods and the kids' living area will be down here, which will have 2 sofas in, and obviously the media wall. So slowly but surely, this is quite a big space. It's 1.6 metres across. This budges back slightly further. I've pulled that forward so it doesn't fall over. But it's slowly coming together bit by bit. You can see how that one obviously fits. This one needs doing. Need to trim a bit more. Well, literally all we've done is trim, put back in, trim, scribe, trim, and they've gone. So slowly but surely, we are getting there.
Stars driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my